They call me? No. Same guy. Yeah, a lot of people. A lot of traffic around here. Pretty much. Yeah, people live. I just think of like people coming out of town to come here. You know what I'm like? It's what? I mean, I've been here forever. Not everybody. That guy's still riding that skateboard, and he was all the way up there. Like a freaking, he went all the way from there. I was up next to Huron, next to the 4 gas stations. That guy is ripping it. It's a beautiful block. That's what I'm talking about. Two people walk by. They're just walking down the block. It's a block. What do? I make RC car shows for my damn self. Because it's fun as hell. And, no. Now, are there any birds? Yeah. Oh, really? Oh. Where are the birds? They live in the bush. It's fantastic. I didn't cook, so I don't even give them Mac Tools truck just went by. Everybody's doing the speed limit. Someone's trying to make a left here. Car goes around it. And we're a black van with a thing. Hey, it's my neighbor. A black van with a thing. What is it? American flag on the back of it. Right. Freaking dope. We got like a small breeze. It's really not that bad. Oops. Yeah, outdated. It's calm. No, been seen.